Well, I'm back out at the van. Trying to reposition my camera here. Trying to figure out exactly what's going on with the issue with starter solenoids. I burnt through about 2 or 3 over the last couple of years, so I was having issues with it earlier. I appeared not to be having issues now, but I'm not exactly sure why it is functioning correctly. I did make a change. The knee, for example. Man, I'm not that old, but I don't need to hear your music if I'm more than a foot or 2 away from your car. It's just frustrating. Now I'm probably going to have to, hopefully it won't be loud enough to get this thing copyright struck. God, I don't understand that. And I don't care if you think I'm old. I mean, it's stupid. It always was stupid. I don't give a darn about how loud your audio system could get. And it looks like a guy about 30 years old. Which means he should be too old for that stupid crap. Anyway, down here, I was having issues. I've had issues with solenoids, and I was getting a clicking sound occasionally, and it was not the battery. I checked the battery; it was 12.7 in its current state with the car unstarted, and it was like 14.6 or 14.7 when it was charging. So everything looks fine. I did add another ground wire. This long black wire you see here is connected to the negative ground. I already had this. Brethren was connected by a mechanic. I guess he was trying to create a ground for it because he found the cheapest possible looking wire, and I don't even know if that's making a good ground, so I put in another one. And so far I haven't had any issues starting it, so hopefully that'll take care of that problem. Everything else is pretty copacetic here. I can't find a whole lot of problems. And of course, I've also got a guy who decided it's time to turn on the blower. On his, let's see how much. Am I losing? Yeah, it looks like my brake fluid is okay. It's just little annoying things that are happening now. It's starting, it's running well. It's tracking well since I got the tie rods and ball joints taken care of. It's not making any noise. It's doing everything that it should be to get things going. I just wanted to give you a quick rundown on the minor problems that are occurring. I'm still not able to run off the back tank, which I was running off of for months. Now only the front tank works. So I'm trying to figure out why that's happening. So yeah, I'll get back to you on some of this stuff. God, anyway, it was quiet as a mouse out here, and then all of a sudden I get a major concert from a 35-year-old with a 10-year-old mind, and a guy turns on his leaf blower, which I don't mind. He's working. The idiot wasn't working. The leaf blower guy, that's okay. Anyway, that's all I've got right now. Just giving you a quick look around the van. You see here, this I don't know if I ever showed this real good, because the first time I had a camera I could maneuver real well, but that is the panel I can flip down, and it's currently connected, so I do get a little power off of that when it's up like that, but there's no sun now anyway. In fact, what I'm going to do is peek in here and see how my power is doing. I don't think we've had 2 hours of sunshine in the last 5 or 6 days. And it's junky in here right now, so don't really care. Because I've got doing some maintenance and some work. All right, let me go over here. Get back up in here. Peek around the corner if I can. At least I got enough charge to keep my MPPT solar controller lit. I'm doing about 12.4 volts, which is not bad considering, like I says, maybe 2 hours of sunshine the last 4 days, and we're supposed to have thunderstorm and rain today. Hopefully maybe a few hours of sunshine tomorrow or the next day. It's been a very long process. I'm going to I've got some wires up there. I'm going to use some of this Eternabond, and I've just got some vinyl that's already at my Amazon locker right now. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back. Right now it's rush hour. There's really no reason to do that, since I won't be doing it today and probably until tomorrow, since it will be raining shortly. I probably, if I had it handy, I just simply slap it down as fast as I can. I'm not going to make the trip, you know, in rush hour to go get it right now. I might wait till after rush hour, or I just might wait till tomorrow, since I'm not going to do it till tomorrow anyway, because it's just a dingy, miserable looking day. In any case, I just want to give you a quick look at what's going on in the van. I'm gonna be doing a few more reviews and things. You're gonna be seeing those. See, that's what I do. I do the reviews just to separate the periods of time when it's just basically boring. And this is one of those times where it's basically boring. So I'm just going to do what I've got to do. I think I just might make that look pretty, so it's pretty on the video, but I don't really care personally. In any case, that's all I've got right now, and I will be back and I will come up with a video. I'm going to put a knife video or two out, or a tool video. Oh my God. I'll show you what I bought from Harbor Freight. I'll do that in the next video. You know, Harbor Freight is just, they open one that's just right around the block from the area I usually hang out in, or usually driving around in my van. So that means there's going to be $1,000 to $2,000 of expense I'm going to get, because now instead of driving 5 or 6 miles to get it, it's just 100 yards from where I park sometimes. Oh man, I love Harbor Freight, but it will cost me money. Okay, I'll talk to you later, and you have a wonderful day. Hopefully you're having more sunshine where you are than I am. Like I said, I'm at 12.3. I'm getting 16 watts of power in the heat of the day, because there's nothing but large moisture bearing clouds above me. I will talk to you later, and you have a wonderful day.